Hello, I just wanted to show you this CHULUX tiny little cake cup and ground cup and hot water maker. So let's take a look. What I love about this is that this is the water tank. So easy. After you get it, you let the water run through it. It will explain it. But after that, when it's done, all I really do is just I fill up a glass, 14 ounce I think. And now I don't even have to look anymore. See how big that tank is? And I'm not spilling anything, and I know this is exactly the water amount that I need, which is so much nicer than before. Okay, now we're gonna make tea. So if you had a K-cup, you put it in here. If you wanted to make your own brew, what did I do with there? It comes with one of these guys, so you fill them up. I usually fill them up like halfway, and then with your ground coffee, put it in there, and then just close it. But since I just want tea right now, I'm gonna just close it. Filled it up. Okay, and then there's only one little tiny button on this side, and that starts blinking, and now the whole thing is starting to warm up. Also, what I like, see, there's also a small footprint and very low countertop height, so I can open it. I don't,